Welcome to another how-to video. How to play with friends or join and create party on Squad Busters. Hello gamers! Today I will show you on how you can join and play friends on Squad Busters. First, click the party up. As you can see, it's up to you if you want to create a party or join a party. If you click create party, it's either you add a party from your friends or you can add a party by clicking the add button, and it's either you click share party invite or show QR code just in case someone wants to join the party near you. You can also share your party code if someone wants to join through code. You can see it on the bottom left of your screen. If you want to join a party, you can click leave while you are in the party, click party up, then click join party. As you can see, you need to enter a code to join the party. Or you can click the scan QR code if you want to join a party near you. And that's basically it. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.